Hey everybody, it's Stefan with Don't Do It Yourself. I'm going to quickly show you how to get a 40% off promo code for WordPress Tangerine's unlimited WordPress development. It's pretty simple. You can click any button or link on our review page, or you could simply navigate over to wptangerine.com. So just click on our link here, and that'll redirect you to WordPress Tangerine's website. And to view the various different types of unlimited WordPress development and support packages that they have, you just click this pricing tab, and this will break down specifically the amount of tasks that you get and the various features and benefits. So choose a plan that makes the most sense for you based on your budget and ultimately the amount of output that you're looking to get. They suggest the most popular is this Pro plan for $397 a month. Don't worry, every single plan has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so this gives you plenty of time to really test out any of the plans here and make sure that they're the right unlimited WordPress development service for you. But to get that 40% off WP Tangerine promo code, just click Start Now after you decide on your package that you want, and that'll automatically take you to the checkout page. You can enter in your contact information and then your credit card payment information to get started. When you get down to this box here, what you're going to want to add is our exclusive promo code, which is WPT40, and that'll get 40% off the first month with WP Tangerine. So your total with this Pro plan, it's $158 savings, but 40% off is pretty awesome, and this will really give you the ability to test out WP Tangerine services and get a whole bunch of development work done, and hopefully you'll utilize them for a long time. So hopefully this was helpful. Good luck and happy development.